Duck Creek System Vocabulary for Policy and Underwriting. Policy Lifecycle. Quote, initial premium and coverage estimate generated using Duck Creek's rating and rules engine. Bind. Action that makes coverage effective before a formal policy is issued. Issue. The formal creation of an insurance policy following acceptance of quote and bind. Endorsement. A change to an active policy, including amendments to terms, coverage, or premiums. Duck Creek supports configurable endorsement workflows. Renewal. Reissuing a policy for a new term with revised rates, underwriting data, or conditions. Supported by Duck Creek's automated lifecycle tools. Cancellation. Termination of a policy before expiration may include NTU, not taken up, scenarios. Underwriting specific vocabulary. Underwriting rules. Configurable business rules that govern eligibility, pricing, and referral triggers. Duck Creek allows straight-through or high-touch processing based on rules. Straight-through processing, STP. Configurable business rules that govern eligibility, pricing, and referral triggers. Duck Creek allows straight-through or high-touch processing based on rules. Referral. Submission requiring underwriter review due to rule exceptions or high-risk attributes. Duck Creek supports referral management to reduce underwriting costs. Acceptable risk. A risk the underwriter is willing to insure. Account underwriting. Valuating insured's complete portfolio instead of a single policy. Classification, class rating. Grouping risks based on characteristics to determine rates. Duck Creek product and configuration. Vocabulary. Product definition. Low-code configuration of insurance products, including coverages, forms, rules, and rating, using Duck Creek policy tools. Industry content. Pre-built ISO, NCCI, AAIS, and other regulatory content available out of the box for commercial and personal lines. Active delivery. Automatic bi-weekly updates to product content and platform features without traditional upgrades. Inheritance. Reusable configuration components shared across multiple products to accelerate development. Rating engine. Duck Creek Rating. Flexible and scalable system to calculate premiums using scenarios, rules, and factors. Forms management. Dynamic forms tied to policy attributes and regulatory content. Section 4. Submission and document management. Vocabulary. Submission. Initial application request containing insured information and supporting data. Duck Creek integrates with third-party data sources to populate submissions. FNOL. First notice of loss. First report of claim-related event, though not underwriting specific, often used in policy vocabulary. Document management, on-base integration, centralized document storage, version control, and automatic workflow initiation for underwriting tasks. Data and integration vocabulary. APIs and integrations. Duck Creek provides 2,600 plus APIs for embedding, predictive analytics, fraud detection, property, vehicle data, etc. Anywhere integrations. Pre-configured real-time integrations with third-party data providers. Predictive analytics. Used for risk scoring, pricing accuracy, fraud detection, etc. Platform and architecture vocabulary. On-demand, SaaS platform. Cloud-native platform enabling low-code development, workflow automation, and continuous updates. Modular architecture. Allows carriers to deploy policy, billing, claims, rating, or content independently. Low-code configuration. Business user-friendly interface for building rules, rating, forms, and workflows without coding.